Hello everyone, I am Dattatreya Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda. Our today's topic is how to prepare for engineering semester exam. As everyone knows that engineering is enchanting discipline with maximum available career opportunities around you. An engineer can be highly paid based on their engineering discipline, academic marks, your skill set, talent in you, experience, company location, etc. So, engineering is one of the most valuable and best career choice option for the students. Our today's topic is going to be different, and considering that if you are not considering or taking care of your engineering study, one might have to face maximum competition during your job search. So please don't relax and not to be panicked as well. So learn how to prepare for engineering semester exam and score high marks in your academics. Our today's video may be helpful for everyone, and if you are new to our channel, then please watch all our previous video so that it will be helpful to you all. Let's begin with our today's topic. Considering the importance of engineering studies, we have made a special video on this. So we will see few key points which are most valuable points while preparing for your engineering semester exam. Schedule your timetable. One has to decide your priorities as per the subject and the schedule. Make a timetable like what we used to do during our school days. Second one, plan your start. You have to decide at what stage you want to start your preparation. Either it at the beginning, mid stage of the semester, or last few days to take extra stress on you. So one has to be careful. Third point, always be curious and attentive. One should always be curious and attentive for what we are going to study in this new semester, which will shape our career. So curiosity and attentiveness is very important while preparation. Fourth point, get help or guidance. If you are not able to understand any subject detail, then take help from either professor or from your senior friends so that they will give you some advice, tips, supports and assistance, guidance required during your preparation. Fifth point, prepare your notes. Always try to prepare short notes for easy reference, and this will help you to practice writing, as final exam is all about writing the answers. This can help to improve your writing speed, clarity in writing and presentation of your answers in answer sheet. So this is one of the most important point. Sixth point, group study. Group study with your friends to understand the subject, as this will help you to clear everyone's doubt, which will automatically enhance your knowledge and understanding of that particular subject or topic which you are considering during your group study. Seventh point, helping others or your friends. Always remember that helping your friend is helping yourself, which may help you to become expert to clear the subject related doubts, and always be honest while knowledge sharing process. 8 point, refer previous year questions. This is the most critical part of this process, as previous year question papers will help you to understand the weightage of each chapter, what sort of preparation we should do, and act accordingly. While making notes, try to segregate the chapter wise question from exam papers. 9 point, practice your preparation by mock test. These days, online mock tests related to subjects are available, which we did not had the option during our engineering days. Our method was to set small question papers for your friend and vice versa, which always helps. And everyone wanted to be best question paper setter. While attending such tests, complete the depth of the subject will be clear. 10th point, refer online study material. As today's digital transformation provides more and more options to refer online study material through notes, seminar, PowerPoint presentation and various topics videos on YouTube to understand the concept in better way. So take advantage of available technology. 11th point, monitor your progress. Keep monitoring your preparation progress by analyzing chapter wise summary, understand the weak section for which required more study or preparation. For monitoring progress, one can refer small table shown in the presentation. We should have subject wise table where we can summarize what sort of preparation we have been started and what is the stage of your progress. One can see here we have made a small table, description, timetable made, previous year exam papers collected, notes prepared, preparation started, a reference online study material whether checked or not, mock test or written test completed, revision before exam, prepare small short summary or excerpts and remarks for any of the pending activities. With this, you can monitor your preparation. 12th point, revision before exam. At least one day before, you should complete the revision instead of last minute running and having sleepless night and getting disturbed before exam. 13 point, relaxation period. Many students are habitual to study just before the exam day and get stressed. Better you plan your activities to have final revision time before exam and attend freshly as final exam is deciding your career path. As marks are always important during starting phase of your career. And most important point, that is 14 point, be healthy. Actually, this point is always top of everyone's list. For taking care of your health is very important. You need to eat healthy food, sleep and perform physical activities every day to make yourself fit, as mental and physical well-being are the pillars of your success. So in nutshell, today we have provided 14-point tips which are to be taken care during your preparation for engineering semester exam, and this will definitely help you to prepare or make your plan for your semester. With this, we are concluding our today's topic, and please watch all our previous videos. This will make you to understand engineering concept and maintain the continuity. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get personalized notification of our uploaded new videos. Once again, thank you all for watching our channel eFunda. Stay tuned for new topic on new day. Thank you.